In an Italy street, I met this artist. After the drawing study and the color study, now I'm going to start the watercolor painting. Please come to join me on Patreon. I've been working on a watercolor book, The Simplest Way to Watercolor. A simple watercolor painting method, only the 3 primary colors, and the relaxing watercolor process. The working version is now available for you to download at yongchen.gumroad.com. I will continue to expand this book by adding step-by-step lessons from my most popular watercolor videos. Thank you for your continued support of my teaching and sharing. The shoulder over here. It's about right. So I'm going to put this shape over here. Often we scared of this because if we make it wrong, just spend more time on it, right? And the eye is right at this area. The front of the forehead will be here. Now take a look at the ear. That's good. Have some darker point. That's good. Tiny little blue color. Address the hair in the shadow area. little bit tiny blue. That's good. All right. I'm going to set a bit of warm color on the skin tone, a little bit more over here. Double check on the arm. I want to pay attention to the hole. That's the 3D of this, the form of this arm. Okay, now let's take a look at the rest of the space. Get all the shapes together. I'm going to switch to the 1-inch flat brush. Let's take a look. Start from a little blue color. Start over here. If you haven't get used to, only think about the 3 primary colors. This is all we need. Give a little bit deeper color to the hair over here. First, I'm going to get a little bit warmer color. And I'm going to get a little bit blue color. Okay, spread the color out a bit. Okay, the color of the hair, very much the color I want. I'm going to look into the ear. This is the lighter tone. The face, very much there. Ready to come back to do a little bit detail. I think this is a good time to go back to do some balance first. Now I'm going to use the extra large flat brush, 2 inches. I'm going to start from the large color over here. Add the little orange color. I'm going to soften that a bit more. Okay, a little bit lighter over here too. Just the corner. Just simply another wash. It actually softening. That's pretty good. Now come back to the ear. Take a look at the color of the ear. Do a little cleanup, lifting, like this. I'm gonna light it up a bit more. Okay, let's continue. Add some deeper color to the shadow side. Let's back to the face. Okay, let's paint the water jar.
a little bit warmer. Okay, a little bit warmer, like that. Okay, and then wash this down. Okay, that's pretty good. I do want to have a little bit more blue color. Still, a little bit tiny more. Okay, and I think this painting is completed with watercolor.